Yeah, my name is Chakrapani.
Hey, hi Chakrapani, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
So, Akshay, can you give me a brief introduction about yourself and tell me a little about your project?
Yeah. So, my name is Akshay. I have completed my bachelor's in electronics and telecommunications engineering in 2015, and I have total 5 years of experience. So, initial 1 year I worked in the telecom and networking company where I used to communicate with the end customer for network related issues and fixing the fiber issues. And later on, I since last 4 years I'm working with Zensar Technology as a data analyst. So here I closely work with the finance team, sales team, and different stakeholders to fix the issues related to the enterprise agreement and orders. So on my day-to-day activity, I do prepare the ad hoc report on Excel and a Tableau, where I present the dashboard with the stakeholders, and also if they have any issues on the data, so I do fix the data related issues like the particular order is not present, or if they want some set of data to be included into the report and ad hoc report, then I do the validation, and if they need any exceptions or the dispute, then I work with the finance team for the exception approval, and later on I do the necessary modifications in the into the report, and I share that with them. So this is how I work, and in some scenario I directly work with the end customer for exact resolution, like what exactly they are looking for and how they can fix the issue.
Okay, so what were your roles and responsibilities?
My role is and responsibility is more close to the sales staff support to fix the enterprise agreement related issues, and fixing the data related issues, like if particular order is not present in customer database, then I update that.
Okay.
And
Can you name the components of the dashboard?
component in the sense like what kind of charts and data source I use, something like that you use.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, so I use bar chart, pie chart, and the line chart, and sometime I use the heat map to showcase the product with very high amount of credit. And yeah, this is a basic chart so that while signing the enterprise agreement, customer can easily understand what are the devices they have in their account, and if they purchase the new agreement, then how much discount and credit they will get. So for better understanding, I just create a simple dashboard so that they can easily convince on that thing.
Okay, so how will you understand and explain about dimensions and measures?
Dimensions and measures are the, it totally depends upon the data type, like what kind of data type is there. Measures is more likely a numerical data, for example, uh, sales amount or the profit amount. And the dimension is more likely categorical data, like a type of products or a region. So that kind of data comes in the dimension, where I can divide or subcategorize the data.
So, what are the filters and can you name different types of filters?
Yeah, around there are 5 types of filters. First one is extract filter, then data source, then quick filter, table calculations, dimension measures, and context filter.
Can you explain very briefly about each of them?
Yeah, the extract filter is when we connect any data source, and if, let's say if we want to hide certain fields or attributes from the data source itself, then we use extract filter. Data source filter when we want to hide certain attributes from end user, but we want to use in our visualization, but we have to hide it from the users who are accessing the report, then we use data source filter. Quick table calculations is kind of, let's say if you want to run a quick calculation across the data or a different attribute, then we can use it. And dimension and measures, like depends on the requirement, we can apply the filters if you want to hide certain things from visualization. And context filter, and it is something let's say if we are using multiple filters and more than two or three filters, let's say if we are using, but we want to highlight a specific measures or some more information, then we can use context filter to unhide the unnecessary or important things from visualization. Mostly we use in a worksheet and a dashboard to apply on multiple worksheet and filters.
Okay, so what is the filter's order of execution for visualization?
Yeah, it starts from the extract filter, then data source, then quick table calculation, dimensions measures, and quick filter, and in the last context filter comes.
Okay. What is the maximum number of tables that can be joined?
It,
Okay,
it
like how do you join all those tables? What is
depend
the process?
blending, or it is like the tables are from same database or from different database. Let's say tables are from the same database, then I can use the common attribute as a primary key to join the tables. I mostly use left join. And if the tables are belongs to different databases, then I will use the blending option to join these two tables.
Okay, so suppose a client has raised a ticket to optimize the existing SQL query.
Mm-hmm.
What all scenarios would you think to optimize the query?
First of all, I will see the what kind of query it is. I will try to use subqueries and indexing to optimize the query. And let's say if the query has multiple calculations repeatedly used within the query, then I will try to use the store procedures to call out that particular calculation repeatedly, so that execution time will be reduced, overall query size will be reduced. And apart from that, if they have certain calculation done manually within the query, then I will try to use aggregate functions to reduce the lines. I think this is how we can optimize the queries.
Okay, Shay, no problem. So now I'll tell you a few skills and I want you to rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 5
Okay.
in data engineer and Tableau.
In the Tableau, I can rate myself 7 because I more likely worked on the developing the report and fixing the bugs, but I'm still learning
Okay.
the admin side part. And for data engineering, like I have worked on the automation part where I used to write a script in the Python for data processing, but I don't have the rich experience, so I would rate myself 3 out of 5 because I have low experience comparatively. I worked on pilot project, one of the pilot project in my current organization.
Okay, all right, Akshay. Do you have any questions?
Like I wanted to know more about the position and like further growth. Like
Okay,
what
so
is the expectations and
so coming to the position, it's for a data engineer in Tableau.
mhm.
But when it comes to the day-to-day roles and responsibilities, I might not be the right person to give you those details
Okay,
because
okay,
I'm from Flow Career
okay,
and do not really have complete knowledge about what's going on and what are the requirements in
okay.
Tech Mahindra.
Got it. Sure.
Anything else apart from that?
No, no. I will wait for the feedback.
All right. Thank you, Akshay. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.